Hi children. Before topic, I explain about the if the Hindu-Arabic numerals will give how to write the Roman numerals. See till 29 only I explained somewhat. 64 I already explained. Now few more examples I will explain. If he gave the Hindu-Arabic numerals, how to write the Roman numerals. See children, first for example 83. For example 83. 83 how to write? See here first one Roman numeral 50, 8, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus this one 3. 3 how to write? See children 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 till here 83 how to write? 1 plus 1 plus 1. See is x 50 is equal to L x x x, then I one value is I. This is the 83 is equal to L x x x I. This is the 83. The root of, if we gave the Hindu-Arabic numerals, then we can write the Roman numerals. One more example 89. How to write 89? First we have to write 50 plus 30. 50 plus 30, 80, 80 plus 9, 89. 80 plus 9, 89. Next we have to write C here. Then first one 50 is. Then next one 30 we have to write 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9. How to write? 10 minus 1. 9 is equal 10 minus 1. See here 50 is L x x x. 10 minus 9, it will be 10 minus 9 is the bigger number is subtracted from 1. If subtracting symbol is there, the Roman symbol we have to write left side of the number. Then this is the bigger value 10, then subtraction symbol is there. This one we have to write left side. This is the L x x x I x. It will be become this value is 90. If the Roman numeral value is Hindu-Arabic numeral value is 89, the Roman numeral value is LXXIX. This is the value of 89. The next one, after 89 it will be is a 90. After 89 is 90. See children, example is 90. 90 how to write? 50 plus 40, then 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 50 plus L x x x and x. See, according to the Roman property fourth one, then x is we can't repeat it more than 3 times. X we can't repeat it more than 3 times. This is the wrong property. Then again 90 it will be become how to write 100 minus 10. 100 is a C. Then 100 is equal to C. The bigger number is subtracted. See here to 10. Okay, 10 is subtracted from 100. The bigger number is having the right side negative. If the negative symbol is there, the Roman numeral number value we have to write left side on the number. See, left side of the Roman numeral, C is a bigger value. X is having smaller number with the subtracted symbol. We have to write is left side. XC is it will be become 90. XC is a 90. We can't repeat it more than 3 times of X value. That's why this is the wrong. This is the correct. Next one 95. How to write 95? 100 minus 5. 100 minus 5. 100 minus 5 means direct V. 5 we have to write. It will be become VC, or we can write like this. V is never subtracted. V is never subtracted. That's why we can write here 90, 95, 95. V is never subtracted. V is never subtracted. That's why we can't write like this. We can't write 90 like this. This is the wrong. We have to write 90 plus 5, 95. It will be become is a 95 value is a XCV. This is the if Roman numerals he gave how to write the Indo-Arabic numerals. The next one Indo-Arabic numerals he gave how to write Roman numerals. If Roman numerals he gave how to write the Indo-Arabic numerals. Few examples I will explain. See once. One more. X at 9. This is the one Roman numeral he gave. How to write the Indo-Arabic numerals? See children, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus. This is how much should be? Then 10 is having bigger value left side of the number, meaning what? 10 minus 1. See here, this is the 30 plus 9. It will be become 39. The Roman numeral value gave x, it will be become that value is 39. Okay children, next one. LXVII. If how to write here? See, L is equal to 50. X value is become 10. V value is become 5. I value 1. Next one. See, 50 plus 10. It will be become 60. 60 plus 5. 65 plus 2 is 65 plus 2. Total is a 67. Then LXVII value is equal 67. Is equal 67. And next one. $49. How to write 49? 49 means what? 50 minus 1. 50 minus 1. 1 is won't subtracted in 50. 1 is won't subtracted in 50. That's why we can write to 90 plus 40 plus 9. I is never subtracted from L. That's why we have to write 40 plus 9. 40 it will be become what we have to write? 50 minus 10 plus 9. Then 50 is L. Beside is subtraction symbols is 10 is there. That's why we have to write in left side of the number. Then 9 we have to write. 9 we have to write 10 minus 1. It will be 10 minus 1 meaning what? IX. Because of the bigger number is having subtraction symbol from that, we can write the Roman number from the left side of the number. Then X and L. Then XLIX. This is the value of 49. This is the value of 49. See here, if we gave the more values, it will be how to write. $98. Fourth one is 98. See 98 meaning what? 100 minus 2. 100 minus 2 means I is never subtracted from bigger number direct. See, that's why 98 we have to write here. 90 plus 8. 90 plus 8. 90 how to write? 90 means we have to write 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 100 minus 10 meaning what? C. C is 10 is X. X C. 5 is equal to V. Or I is equal to I. X C V I. This is the value of the Roman numerals. If we gave the Hindu-Arabic numeral, we can write it into the Hindu-Arabic numerals. For this Roman numerals, this topic is completed. For the next topic, I'll explain about the addition and subtractions. How to write, how to addition numerical numbers and how to make it to the bigger and smaller numbers. Okay children, thank you for this session. The next session we will meet to the addition and subtraction.